To stay updated, subscribe to TJ Academy.
We are going to discuss the procedure of angle Granger residual based cointegration. First, the assumption of the test is all variables dependent and independent. All variable means all dependent and independent are stationary at first difference. Now the procedure. Step 1. If all variables are stationary at first difference, so we have to run regression model. In this model, we have dependent variable is GDP, independent variables are labor force, capital means investment, and FDI. So the model is GDP is equal to A means constant plus B1 labor force plus B2 capital plus B3 FDI plus error term. This is the model. So first step is we have to run this regression model. Second step, estimate its residual or error. Then step 3, apply unit root test on error. If error is stationary at level, it means variables are co-integrated and regression that we have run is not spurious. Now let's start the procedure. First, we have to run regression model. This is our regression model. So quick estimate equation to run the regression model. GDP is equal space C means constant, then write all the independent variables like labor force, capital and FDI, then press OK. This is the first step. This is the first step. Then second step, estimate its residual or error. Then go to process and make a residual series, this one, and you can change its name like error. So you see there is no error variable here in our basic work file, but when we put OK here, then here you can see the series is generated, the name is error. So when we, the third step, after estimate its residual and error, the third step is apply unit root test on error. So for third step, this is our error series. For applying unit root test, go to view, unit root test. By all default setting, we are going to click OK. The hypothesis of the test is series has a unit root or error has a unit root. It means the series is non-stationary. But here the result is significant. It means the hypothesis has been rejected, which shows the series is stationary at level. So we can see here, if error is stationary at level, it means variables are co-integrated and the regression that we have run is not spurious. It means this regression result is not a spurious one. This regression result we can report and make other interpretations, and we can place other interpretation. So this is the procedure of Engelgranger residual based co-integration. I hope you find this video helpful. If it is so like the video and subscribe my channel, TJ Academy.